We are here at Mumbai Comic Con Day 2 and we are gonna have a lot of fun.
Shweta.
Shweta, okay. She has cosplayed my female version. So she is cosplayed as Kakashi, female Kakashi from the best anime in the world, that is Naruto.
I have Shrek along with me.
Can you tell me your name, please?
My name's Karan.
So, your name?
Radhika Subramanian.
Are you also stuck?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
I have a different reading material.
oh, what's that?
That is Kakashi's new reading material.
Oh, I thought Kakashi is into reading,
Not anymore, not anymore.
really?
Good stuff.
I don't.
You will. When you're done.
What I'll explain you what we are going to do over here. We are just going to play a small game and test your anime knowledge. If you give some right answers, you are going to get a small gift from me.
I don't know anything about anime. I can only recognize a few characters by their faces, but I don't know anything about anime at all.
I'll be asking you a few questions, and if you give right answers, you are going to get a gift. Small gift. Okay? Shall we begin?
Yeah.
Second year Comic Con. I was here last year as Voldemort, and now it's like awesome.
Tell me 5 names of anime.
Fine anime. Studio Ghibli. House Moving Castle.
Naruto, Pokemon is that anime?
Yes, it is.
Pokemon. Who else do I know? Hold on. Anime.
Tell me 10 animes in 30 seconds.
10.
Yep.
Okay. You have Spirited Away. You have Secret Life of Ariete. Naruto. Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood.
That's a cheat.
Yeah.
That's a cheat.
Rurouni Kenshin. And Ergo Proxy.
One. Tick 2.
Cannot name anything else. I don't know.
Tick 3. You have got.
Pokemon, Death Note.
You have. Okay, Death Note. Naruto.
Finally, you took those names. Come on, man. I'm standing right in front of you. Okay.
Code Geass. Death Note. Kuroko no Basket. Tokyo Ghoul. Monster.
Awesome. Oh, you know Monster? I have also seen Monster. Cyclops. Oh, I'm sorry. You are not going to win this. Writer of Naruto.
No idea. No idea.
Oh. Okay. Sorry, I can't give you chocolate. I'm so sorry. You deserve a chocolate. And here is a gift.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Next time when you come, can you come a little prepared so that we can...
Surely I will, because I came here in the morning and I didn't know anything about anime, so I don't know half the characters. So I would like to know more about it.
Thank you very much, Rocky. And we have this awesome cosplayer with me. So let's see what he's got. Okay? Yeah, your name?
Azum Sebastian.
Is this your first time cosplaying?
So no, it's not my first time cosplaying. I started cosplaying since last year, and my first cosplay was Kakashi Hatake.
Is this your first time in Comic Con?
This is my 4th time. I started with Uchiha Itachi. I've cosplayed Kakashi before. I was Korra yesterday, and I was Rurouni Kenshin here at Bombay Comic Con last year.
How long did it take you to cosplay this entire getup?
So in all, it took me like 3 weeks. So I had to stitch up all the resins and stuff, and after that, I had to buy like sunboard and like LEDs and everything. So even with the hammer, I made the hammer a bit taller before, but it wasn't gonna work out. That's why what I did, like I just shortened it up because it would be comfortable for me to walk in the crowd.
Why did you get into comics and
It just felt like home, something that appeals to me compared to the rest of the world. I have been cosplaying every year. Just this year I'm not registering for the contest, so
why so?
I don't want to. I know I'm not going to win the contest, but I like just mingling for the fun of it, just for the fun of it. Yeah, thank you.
I didn't cosplay just for winning or losing. I cosplay for the people, because when people come up to me and they ask for me for a pic and it makes them happy, that's the reason, that really makes me happy.
We have got a true spirit cosplay over here, and wish you a best of luck. And it was great meeting you. Thank you.
Nidhi, wind ranger actually.
Yo guys, we have Ryuk over here, and I know you guys must have watched that now, and you must be fan of Ryuk and his apple. Hi, what's your name?
It's Arshad Shah.
Your good name?
Gaurav. Gaurav, and you're cosplaying as Rukiora from Bleach.
Oh, Bleach. Your good name?
Anand.
Anand. You're cosplaying as?
Magikarp, it's a Pokemon.
Oh, you're cosplaying as Pokemon. I don't have a Pokeball with me, otherwise I would have caught you.
Who is the writer of Naruto?
Oh, okay, I am not good with names. I'm totally not good.
Who is the writer of Bleach?
I knew the name.
Man, you are a Bleach fan.
I don't know.
Is this your first time at Comic Con?
Yeah, this is my first time for the Comic Con as well as for the cosplay.
Awesome. So he is cosplaying. He's not only first timer for cosplaying, but also yes, he's appearing here for the first time. That's a great thing. Your cosplay looks pretty good, apart from your face, but your face looks pretty good.
Thank you so much.
And specs is kind of odd, but we can expect a Pokemon with a specs. How much time did it take you for get into proper getup?
Almost more than 2 hours or almost 3 hours.
Whom did Goku marry?
Nope, not good with names.
Give me 10 rules from Death Note's diary.
Cool. First rule, if a person touches the Death Note, it belongs to the person who touches it.
Have you played Naruto Ninja Storm?
No, you're a big Naruto fan, aren't you?
I am. You can see me. I am.
Second, if the person does not write the rule within 13 days, he's gonna die himself.
Whom did Naruto marry? Hinata.
Thank you very much, and you're going to get a goodie.
If he's writing any person's name, the person gonna die.
Awesome.
If the person who's writing the name is supposed to think about the person who he meant to kill, so that two person with the same name will not die.
Why did Adverse Brother turn into a monster?
Because of equivalent exchange. You lose something, you gain something.
She has given the right answer, and you should watch Full Metal Alchemist. I'm sorry, I just forgot that name, but you should watch. I'll watch it once again.
So if he writes his name, he'll die within 40 seconds.
Awesome, cool. So he have got 5 correct points from the Death Note. Now this is the trickiest question. If he answers, he's going to get a bigger chocolate. Can you name 5 cartoons?
5 cartoons. Johnny Bravo, Dexter's Laboratory, then there is Pokemon, there's Digimon, then there's Naruto.
The question is, what is the fake rule?
The fake rule given by Shinigami to the light was this thing that if he not gonna write any name within 13 days, the light himself gonna die. This was the fake rule.
Awesome. So here's your clip. Thank you very much for coming. You have earned your goodie. So thank you for joining. Okay. What is his name? I forgot his name. Sorry. Edward, yeah. Please don't write my name in that Death Note, okay?